Greetings, WordPressers. Jackson here. Welcome to the channel once again. Nice to have you as always. So you know Jet Engine, CrocoBlock, Jet plugins. You've seen of me do a few bits and pieces here on the channel for that kind of thing. It's quite the most extraordinary platform and suite of plugins to make the most craziest ideas come true with WordPress. If you want to do anything with dynamic data, this really is quite remarkable functionality. So anyway, a little while back, CrocoBlock got in touch with me and said, would I fancy helping them out with a few vids for their channel? And I was like, damn right I will. Love your stuff, love you guys. And so I have. I've made quite a pretty chunky workshop over on the CrocoBlock channel that basically takes an idea and turns it into a quite large web application, sidestepping the use to actually bring in other plugins and other platforms, just using some of their plugs. Anyway, just a quick heads up, if you fancy a little bit of a chunky workshop, go and check out the CrocoBlock channel and my workshop. But until next time, I shall see you later.